Welcome students, class 7, subject General Science, subject teacher Joshi SK. Lesson number 3, Properties of Natural Resources, part 3. Land occupies 1/3 part of biosphere. We see soil in our surrounding. Let us learn properties of soil. We see different colors of soil across our country. Examples: black soil, red soil, copper soil, yellow soil, grey soil, etc. Color is one of the most important property of soil. Color indicates several properties of soil such as fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water, etc. Let's learn about soil texture. Soil contains particles of different sizes. The texture of soil is determined by the proportion of particles of various sizes in it. On the basis of texture, soil is divided into 3 different types. First one is sandy soil, second silt or sedimentary soil, and third is clay soil. Let us learn properties of each type of soil one by one. Sandy soil. As name suggests, proportion of sand means large particles is high in sandy soil. Particles of this soil are made up of silicon dioxide, quartz. Water drainage capacity of this soil is high. Water drains out rapidly through sandy soil. Sandy soil is very easy to plow. This soil is less fertile. Soil has very little capacity to supply nutrients. Second is silt soil, or we can also call it as sedimentary soil. Particles of this soil are medium in size. Silt soil is not as plowable as sandy soil, but contains large proportion of organic matter in it, so it has great capacity to supply nutrients. Water holding capacity of silt soil is medium. Third type is clay soil. Proportion of small sized particles is maximum in clay soil, so it is very smooth. Water holding capacity of this soil is high, but it is very hard to plow. Next point is soil structure. Depending upon structure and shape of particles in soil, it is classified into 4 different types. First one, columnar; second, laminar; third, granular; and fourth, block shaped. Students, always remember the fertility of soil depends upon soil structure. Good soil provides sufficient supply of oxygen to roots of plants. Water drainage capacity of soil must be good. Next point is uses of soil. First, soil helps plants to grow. Second, soil holds water in it, so soil is very important for conservation of water. Third, plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape. This property is called plasticity. We can make articles of different shapes and size using soil. According to use of soil, soil can be classified in 4 different ways. First one is China clay, or we can also call it as kaolin. China clay is white in color. It is used to make crockery, which we use in our kitchen, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, jars, etc. Second type is Shadu soil. It is whitish in color and used for making statues and idols, which are eco-friendly. Third type of soil is terracotta soil. This soil is red in color and used for making decorative articles and ponds used for growing plants. Fourth type of soil is Multani soil, or we also call it as Multani Mati. This soil is used in different cosmetics and beauty products. Another important point is soil testing. Nowadays, soil testing is followed by many farmers. Properties of various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. Soil is tested to find out pH and electrical conductivity as well as proportion of organic matter in it. Also, water holding capacity and deficiency of any ingredient can be checked by using soil testing. Now, let's study the causes of diminished soil fertility. First cause is soil pH. If the pH of soil is less than 6 or higher than 8, the fertility of soil is diminished. Second important cause is low proportion of organic matter in soil. Third cause is no proper drainage of water. Sometimes, for making profit, farmers repeat cultivation of same crop again and again. It is also one of the reasons of diminished soil fertility. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase the yield of crop also causes diminished soil fertility. Soil, water and air are very important natural resources on the biosphere. It is our responsibility to take care of them properly. Thank you very much for watching this video.